Perfect, 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 perfect.
Hello, everybody. This is AndreJMcClendon. Welcome to the AndreJMcClendon Show. Today is going to be going over the weekly news wrap-up. So I got a couple images to go over, a couple charts, and it's going to be mainly about crypto and some forex at the end. All right, so let's jump into it. Give me 1 second while it loads. All right, our first chart that we're looking at is Litecoin. Well, from this recording, Litecoin's at $58, and for the week's range, the 52-week range, it went from 22. Oh, that's from last year. This going back to the end of the week. Litecoin was sitting at pretty much the 40s. I'm sorry, 56, 52. So from 52 to 58 is about. So pretty good week, pretty solid move. Well, crypto's not done yet. It trades 24/7, so you guys can catch some of the moves going up this weekend. So now we're on the hourly. Zooming in a little bit more, and you can see that some of these levels, if you want to go into some just support resistance, when at the beginning of the week on the 24th, you see that big push down and all that consolidation and all those major wicks. You can see that the major buyers bought multiple times throughout that from the 24th to the 27th of February, and that pickup to push right back down to the March 4th through the March 5th. That was a clear sign of rebuy entry. Huge sign. And then you can see that push up, and then you guys start going up to the part of the week when you see like March 7th through the March 10th. That there was just a couple of retests to see if it can go higher. It didn't have enough basic cash to pull up, so it went back down to support. Major support about the $52 to $53 area, and then massive pull up. So, and we start looking at it now, it's creating a triple top right now at the current price at the $56 area. I'm sorry, $58 area. At the $50 area, it's making a triple top. So I honestly think it's going to break through. Looking at if you look at the other screens like the daily does have some resistance at the $64 area. So I might do a couple pullbacks, but definitely Litecoin, in my opinion, is going higher. We're zooming a little bit more. We're on the 15-minute now. So check the 15-minute. You can see there's some whipsaw at 12 o'clock on the 14th, but you don't have to worry about that. It just balanced out anyways. But you see that Litecoin is definitely building some support on the 15-minute to scale up higher. Remember, this is just my opinion. I'm not giving you trading advice. I'm not telling you what to do. This is what I think. So I think it's going to be going up a little bit higher, definitely to the $64 range. So you're talking about easily 10% more in growth. The reasons why I like crypto, I mean, not just crypto, I mean, I like Litecoin overall. The other ones, Litecoin is very good on repeating its fall on its support resistance levels, and its growth percentage-wise is so amazing. It can double up, go 15%, 10%, versus other cryptocurrencies. But that's just my opinion about that. So our next one is the infamous Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, as according to this video, is $4,006.02. Bitcoin's been doing some monster moves and some trekking. So let's go and check out Bitcoin on the daily. So right now, the daily, it's sitting at $4,006. And its major resistance level would be from about the 6,200 to the 6,800, that range. So right now, it's sitting at a bottom, and seeing the direction of crypto has been making coming back, I definitely can see it building up higher and filling in from the 6,000 level to the 4,000 level to the 6,000 level. But before it gets there, it's going to have a bunch of corrections, so it's not going to be a straight line up. I think it's going to bounce up, obviously, to the 4,300 level, 4,200 to 4,300 level, bounce around, probably break through that and keep on going. Alright, let's go to the hourly. You can definitely tell there's some huge market moves, especially when you look at March 4th to the March 6th. That's a huge move up. Talking about a couple $100 easily. And right now you can see on the hourly, it is building a lot of support. Major wick on March 8th, huge wick. Gets pulled back down, creates support on March 12th. Boom, gets pulled back up, and look at this right here. It's building some more, just little whipsaw up and down, and now balances out on this support from the March 12th-ish to the 15th. And now it's probably building up right now to break through the support level. I'm sorry, the resistance level at 4,020 to break through. That's just my opinion. I'm not telling you what to do. There's now we're on the 15-minute time, and now you can check out like this. It's been building some support. It's slowing down a little bit because all the other markets are closing, or actually closed. But we'll see that the energy, all the energy and attention will be focused on crypto now to pull through. Well, we'll see. We'll see where crypto goes for the weekend and the rest of the week. Alright guys, so what I did is, if you look at the screen now, look at the calendar events. So my next YouTube video that I'll be posting either this Saturday or Sunday will be just about how to read the calendar news on Forex Factory. It's on other websites, but it's typically all the same. But let's see, we got any big news coming up next week. So Monday next week we got Australian dollar. There's some red. So the reds is the ones I look for mainly. We got monetary policy coming up. We got Tuesday. We got some pound movement. Parliament Brexit vote. Ooh, it's a big one. Average earnings. Wednesday, you got you got pounds for the CPI, and you got dollar movements on Wednesday. FOMC economic projections. FOMC statement, federal funds rate, and FOMC press conference. And New Zealand. Let's move the next one over. We're at Australian unemployment change, Australian unemployment rate. So a lot of movement for the dollar, Australian, and pound. You got some stuff on Thursday coming up. MPC official bank votes, monetary policy summary, and official bank rate. And Friday, the euro, French flash services, German flash manufacturing, PMI, and German flash. Our last one, we got some stuff on Friday for CAD and pound, and the euro. Anything else? No, that's it, guys. So this week, I really wanted to show you guys about the news coming up. But our next thing is, so for adding the book of the week. So here's two books, or basically the same title, just changed from the date. Basically, these two books will definitely assist you when it comes to doing taxes, because we're in tax season now. Called Lower Your Taxes Big Time. There's 2008 to 2019. There's a 2019-2020, and this is for basically small business wealth building and tax reduction from the IRS Insider. So this will help you reduce your taxes. Definitely assist you on that, and make sure you become more knowledgeable about how to make income in certain areas, or how to make income not in certain areas. And there's a link below for it. Yes, I get a kickback from it, but I'm just showing you guys how to make income from these books, or how to save money too. And what else we got? Yeah, so if you guys want to start a conversation more, leave a chat below, leave a comment below, and let's talk about business or finance. But you know, it's a pretty good trading week. Everyone did profitable, and you know, it was a really fun week for me. If you guys want to find out more on how to trade, go to AndreJMcClendon.com, or just hit me up here, or go to my social medias and contact me. And you guys have an amazing week. Look forward for my next video this Saturday or Sunday coming up for you. And you guys have a beautiful day. Thank you for your time. See ya.